Good morning, everybody, and this is your Forex day trade setups for today. So we're still very much range bound on Euro USD, and I suspect we're going to stay like this until this evening, and that is when the Feds come out with their minutes. So big up, big down yesterday, and we're just hovering back down around this level, which is 0.96825. So if we just drop down to the hour, you're going to see pretty much a clear range at the moment. Big ups, big downs. Didn't really, that's what we could do is just that level, but it didn't really select a level as nicely as I would have liked to. I just want to get to the 50 minutes just to see if we had, I know on the indexes we had a lot of going on. Nope, that was above the actual level. So I would have expected it to be just underneath the level. But on the hour, definitely was there, so your entry would have been there, your stop up there. So it's a 360 point stop loss for a 540 point gain. So pretty much range bound, and because we're below the moving averages, you're looking to trade with the trend. I think today is sit on hands day again. I'm not interested in this because you're probably going to be bouncing around. May just pop below this level at the bottom here at 0.96825 and then come back to it just before the Fed's minutes, which is released later on today. So I'm set on hands on Euro USD. US dollar, Japanese yen, similar kind of picture. We're meandering higher, but this grouping of the oscillators here is not something that I like chasing to the upside. So when we look at it on the hour, you're going to see yesterday was pretty much sideways, and we've had this big gap up, but look at this divergence that's brewing, and it starts all the way back here. So price has made a new high, and oscillators are making a lower high. So that is a signal that I really don't want to get involved in at the moment. I suspect we're going to be pulling back to close a gap at least, but then again we've also got the Fed minutes. So I'm looking for better structure, much lower down before getting back in on this pair. So sit on hands as well. Moving on to the pound, British pound, Japanese yen. Big up, big down, and as I said yesterday, until we cleared this range that we've had in the past, I'm not really looking to trade it. So technically we have cleared the range, but with a lot of confusion. So if we get down to the hour, that's what I'm talking about. I mean, we start getting a fairly decent move to the upside, and clear rejection here off this swing low here. Just get it on there. So there's the swing low fractal there. We've rejected it once before, and then we rejected it again. So fairly decent opportunity if you were brave enough for that, but the stop would have been almost 1,000 points for 2,000 point gain. So not something that I would really be that excited about. So anyway, that is what, that's what happened yesterday. But what we're looking for today is to see if we can get back, and I'm just going to use this level here. We can come back and test one of these two levels here. So it's 106.666, or sorry, 160.666 and 161.026. So if we can get back into the zone, reject here, you're looking at price action on a lower time frame, something like the 50-minute, and then you're looking for another move to the downside. If you start breaking above the structure, I'd be sitting on my hands, not worrying about it, because then it's going to come and test the upper ends, possibly even higher up, and then just sort of keep ranging until we get a direction. Lastly, Euro British Pound, another one that is all over the place. We've been sideways most of the week, and then we had this break as well. So obviously this is going to be the converse of British Pound, Japanese Yen. And if you look at that, moves down, bottom of range, not off any structure that I would be interested in. This was the level we were looking for, which was 0.87446, and we dropped below it. And then you can see drop below it, there would have been a lot of people coming in short with a stop up here, and that's what triggered sort of the start of the move, and then people just jumped in with the move. And then you had the break to the upside with people waiting for the break, and then you've got some stops that have been moving up. Anyway, it's a range break. I'll be looking for some kind of a pullback onto structure, and this is the zone we're looking for. So pullback to 0.88145 or 0.88081. So I want to see price come back in here. I want to see the oscillators ease off a little bit. and that would give me the opportunity for a long. And just bear in mind, there's so much noise inside this range, but each one of these tails that you see, each one of these fractal tails inside this range, which is to the left of price, is potentially an area for support. So all the way down to the 50% of the range, which is around 087762. So pullbacks into this area, you're looking for price action on the level, and then you're looking for an opportunity to buy into this. So it does look like pound weakness is brewing, and it does also look like the dollar is just trying to continue on its merry way. So yeah, that's kind of my view at the moment. So for the pound, we'll wait for some pullbacks for the opportunities to either sell the yen or buy, sell the pound or buy the euro. And on the dollar, we'll sit in hands and wait for the noise to come out later this afternoon. Anyway, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.